How to sort YouTube search results by views. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort YouTube search results by the views. It is very simple, you just have to follow the following steps. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, at the top right corner, there are four icons, one of which is for the profile, and the other three, one is for the Google casting, and the other two, one is for notification, and one is for the search bar. When you will tap on the search bar one, a new page is going to appear which would say search YouTube, and which you are going to search as I am making or typing something to search. So I have wrote down what I wanted to search. Now what I'm going to do is tap on the right upper corner on the three dot. So afterwards, a new dialog box is going to appear in which I'm going to tap upon the filters one. After tapping on filters, a new dialog box has appeared in which it has 4 to 5 different options. Sort by type, upload data, and duration. I would go for the sort by one, and instead of relevance, I would tap on the arrow down button and choose the view count. Afterwards, I'm going to go and tap on apply. After making a tap on apply, now here I see I've been getting videos with the most views or view counts. For example, the first video has 16 million, and the second has 6.5, and the third one has 3.7, and the fourth one has 3.54, and so forth. This is how it functions. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.